Hey all, I hope you all are doing great. I am Athar Tiwari and I welcome you all to a brand new video. So in this video we are going to talk about how to set up a Node.js server and integrate it with our API key for our video calling React application. In the past video we have talked about how to set up and create account on videosdk.live's website and what are the environment needs for our application. So in this video we will see how we can set up Node.js server and integrate our API key with it. So stay tuned till the last of the video. This is the video number 2 of our React development project and let's get started. Okay guys, so now we are on our screen. So here you can see I have opened my code editor. So firstly we will create a folder. We will create a folder on desktop with a name new work. So you can give your custom name to this. So I have given this name a new work and I will add this. Okay, so now our folder has been added here. Okay, so now our folder has been added. Now we will install our SDK files for Node.js server. So for that work I will open my terminal. Okay, so now my terminal is on, so here is my terminal and I will just run a query. I will just clone a git. I will provide the link for this git in description below, so you can use it. So I will just run it, that is run this query, that is git clone, and the name of the GitHub we will be using RTC Node.js for that, and enter. Now our cloning will start, and okay, so now our cloning has done. So after the cloning we will go for our API integration. So for API integration we just have to create one more env file. Okay, so we have to create one more env file, as a server will require to perform authentication via JWT tokens. So because of that we are using Node.js server. Okay, so now we will be requiring a env file for that. So let me create an env file, env, and after env just copy the content of .env.example file, just copy it and paste it again into env. And here you can see video SDK API key and video SDK secret key. So now, as I have told you in the past video, that in the dashboard you have API key section. Just go into that, add a new key for your new project and copy that key. Okay, so for our new project I have created this key, so let me copy this API key. Okay, and now I will just paste this API key in this video SDK API key, Control V. Okay, again I will copy the secret code here, the secret code, and Control V. So I have successfully copied and pasted the secret code and API key, and I will save it and just close this file. Okay, so now I will install npm in this particular Node.js server. So for that I have to change my directory, that is cd, and in this particular folder. So done. And now I have to install the npm. So I will run the command npm install, and done. So now our npm will install in this particular root directory, and it has been started. So it will take some time. Okay, so now our npm has been done, and now we will run the npm, and that means we will run the server. So for that we have to run the command npm run start. If we have done our things correctly, then the server will start without any errors. So let's try for that. So now our server is listed on localhost 900. So we will check this we will check for localhost 900. So let me open a tab. If our server is working, then it have to open on localhost. Yeah, so it's hello world and it is localhost 900. That means our server is working fine. So that's all in this video. In the next few videos, we will set up our React application. And thank you for watching this video till the end. Just hit that like button and share this video to your friends and colleagues. And also subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos.